Hello and welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a one layer makeup look using some of Iconic London's best selling products, and I'm going to be trying out their new Radiant Brightening Concealer Duo, which looks amazing. One layer makeup is just perfect for summer because it's going to give you that really gorgeous base with just one layer of makeup, and honestly this is the best to avoid cakey and sweaty makeup, and that is what we want. This is Iconic London's latest launch, which is a dual-ended concealer, which is for bright-eyed, fresh and flawless looking base. So the brightening crayon has subtle luminous pearls to neutralise discoloration, hide dark circles and reduce the look of puffiness, and it also illuminates the under eye area for a flattering wide awake finish. The fluid concealer offers a buildable medium coverage without the heavy look and feel, and it's so creamy and smooth in texture. It's actually so nice, and the elastic quality helps it keeping looking fresh on the skin throughout the day, which means that you'll have no mid-afternoon dryness or cakiness. And it also comes in 18 shades, so there's something for everybody. So this crayon side actually contains caffeine in it, so it's going to help reduce puffy under eyes, which is definitely what we need. So I'm going to apply this in the inner corners. Then I'm going to apply the concealer to the other parts of my face. So I'm going to put a bit under my eye here. This is super creamy, and also I'm using a shade that's really similar to my skin tone as well. Some on my forehead, some down my nose, my chin, just on the cupid's bow, and just in the upper jawline area. It actually is so soft on the skin. I'm literally so excited to blend this out. Next I'm going to use the sheer bronze to bronze the face. I'm going to use the shade Spice Tan. So I'm just putting a bit on the back of my hand here. Then I'm going to apply it in the areas I usually would. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose as well. A little bit on my forehead. I'm actually going to put a tiny little bit on my chin and just on my lower jawline. Looks so good. Next we're going to put on some blush, and this is the sheer blush in the shade Power Pink, and I love this, it's so nice. Again, I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand first. You see it's such a nice vibrant pink shade. Popping some just on my cheekbones here. I love blush, so I'm going to put a generous amount and bring it to my cheeks a little bit as well. A little bit on my forehead. I'm going to pop some here. I'm going to put a tiny little bit on my nose, about here. Okay, I think we are almost ready to blend. Of course, we need to bring this to life again before we blend, so we're going to put some setting spray on. We're going to use the Prep Set and Glow Mist. I'm sorry, but this spray is so iconic. This is going to provide a bit of moisture on the products on my face so that it all blends in together easier, and it also is going to help it last all day as well, which I need. Okay, now it's time to blend. I've got my beauty blender. It's so soft. Spritz a little bit of spray on the beauty blender. We're going to do one side of the face first so we can compare the two, and I'm going to blend all my lighter colours first and then into my darker colours. Guys, just look at the difference that has made to my face. So this is the blended side. It looks so seamless. It almost looks like I've got no makeup on, but it looks so good. I love how it's blended in, and it literally has made my skin look so nice. Can you see that? And this literally saves so much time as well. I spend so much time putting on all my products separately, and this is so easy. Like, I need to do it more often. And this is what it looks like when it's all blended out. I really love it. I love the way it looks. It looks so flawless and so natural. I'm genuinely a bit shocked, to be honest, because I feel like it looks like I've got no makeup on, but I have. So I've just finished the rest of my makeup, and I am actually shook. This is beautiful. The way this looks on my skin, it's so flawless. It looks like there's not one bit of makeup on my face, and even up close it just looks super smooth and beautiful. You definitely need to try this technique. So this is one layer makeup. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. See ya!